We have a very interesting, challenging case. Some of the patients who have hair transplant, they started 20 years ago, 10 years ago, 15 years ago with older method hair transplants, and they have been through like plugs, strip procedures, and now as you can see, he has a very good beard. It goes all the way down, nice and thick hair. We're going to limit ourselves to the bottom of the beard and cover those big areas on the back and the crown area. All right. This is a day 2 out of 2-day FUE procedure. It's a beard to scalp. Patient has a very good beard, very thick, coarse, and extended to the neck area. Yesterday we removed about 1,700 grafts. Today we're going to go a little bit more. So we remove those areas. We're going to remove the rest. Everything is going to be placed on the crown area. Using Mohebi inserter to place those grafts. Using a Trivellini system for this procedure, I'm going back and forth between a Smart React and using the pedal for extractions. I'm going to show you a few of extractions with using the pedal. The pedal is important when the direction of hair changes, so it gives me time to go and kind of center the hair and then put a little bit of a pressure and then push the pedal. Okay. So in this case, that's why I usually use a Smart React, but in this case I decided to use pedal, but I feel like I have more control. And grafts are coming out very nicely. So the same thing, if you want to use the Smart React, you can choose Smart React, but you have to go and pick a higher number, like 500 millisecond delay. That gives me the same thing as using the pedal. Gives me enough time to center my punch on the graft, and then I go with 100% rotation for 200 milliseconds and 70% oscillation for 600 milliseconds with 300 degree. Check a few of these with a Smart React now. We're going to extract with high delay time. So see, the system gives me enough time to make sure I'm centered. The hair is curly, sometimes the direction are changing. See, this hair is this way, the other one is the other way, so I have to take my time to center, but that longer delay time gives me enough time to go and feed the hair into the punch and then gently remove them. Ashley, let's try some of these. Now easily coming out, grafts are looking intact.